Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to make a poll on GroupMe. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a poll on GroupMe. No matter what device you're using, the steps are straightforward. On Windows, open a group chat and select the attach button in the chat box. Then choose New Poll. Click Create New Poll. Type your question in the Ask Question field and add your poll options up to 10 choices. Set the date and time for the poll to close, and then click Create to add it on the group. On Android, open a group chat, tap Add Attachment, then select Polls, and tap Create New Poll. Enter your question, add your options, set the end date and time, and tap Done to publish. On iPhone, the steps are the same as Android, making it easy to engage everyone. Once your poll is live, you can monitor responses in real time, see who has voted, and even update options if needed before the poll closes. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.